Hi there. Today we're going to be talking about deducting private mortgage insurance, also known as PMI. So the PMI is a policy that's taken out by home buyers to protect the lender against possible default on the mortgage loan, and this can be deductible sometimes on your tax return. The income tax deduction for this was developed as an element of the Tax Relief and Healthcare Act of 2006 and initially added to private mortgage insurance plans issued in 2007. Like I said, most people just call it PMI, so if you hear PMI, that's what we're talking about. This tax break was extended by lawmakers because of the slow recovery of the housing market. It's been extended by Congress for premiums paid up to 2016. Now, the PMI deduction can be taken by policies issued by the Federal Housing Administration, also known as FHA, Department of Agriculture's Rural Housing Service, Department of Veterans Affairs, and even some private insurers. So if you have a VA loan or an agriculture loan, you may be able to qualify for this deduction. Now, you have to make sure you meet the requirements before you can claim the PMI deduction. So let's get through the requirements here. If you paid a PMI on your mortgage on or after July 1st, 2007, the deduction is eligible. Prior to that, it's not eligible. Let's get to some of the other key parts here. Do we have income phase-outs on this? This is where it can exclude you from getting the deduction. The deduction will start to be reduced once the homeowner's AGI, adjusted gross income, exceeds 100,000. Now, this restriction is valid if you are single, the head of household, or married and filing jointly. The phase-out will start at 50,000 AGI for married couples filing independently, separately. The PMI deduction is lowered by 10% for every 1,000 a filer's earnings are over the AGI restriction. Now, the deduction goes away entirely for the majority of property owners whose AGI is 109,000, or for married couples filing separately, 54,500. All of this information will go on the Schedule A of the 1040, which TurboTax obviously will put in that schedule, and the rest of the forms needed if you qualify. So I hope this video helps, and we'll see you in our future videos. Thank you.